Alright guys, this is my food review of Subway's bacon, egg, and cheese. As you can see here, let's take a look inside. You can see the tomatoes, the lettuce, and the egg, and the bacon is right there. So yeah, this looks kind of good. So yeah, let's eat. Alright, it's time to eat the sandwich. Let's take another bite. Tastes meh. Meh best. Tastes meh. The tomatoes are okay, the lettuce is okay, but the egg is it's mediocre. So if I had to give this a score, it would be 6 out of 10 for Subway's bacon, egg, and cheese. A 6 out of 10. A 6 out of 10 for Subway's bacon, eggs, and cheese. Anyway, guys, see you guys later. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. And P.S. the bacon, it tastes actually very good. It tasted very good. So the score is gonna be changing from a 6 out of 10 to a 6.2 out of 10. See you guys later. Peace, rate, comment, and subscribe.